This is CS 746. Today's topic is going to be on statistics for data science. Before we do that, I'm going to do a short presentation on the project because I was supposed to do that Monday and I forgot. So we have a deadline for the next milestone in the project we have to do. So if you go out to Blackboard and look under CS 746 under groups, of course, we've taken the team assignments that you had set and the ones where the people were still looking. We've assigned the team. So everybody should be in a team now. And we have some sort of clever team names. 404, I got to chuckle out of that one. So on and so forth. Mars, I don't know where you're at. Anyhow, of course, Thanos. Thanos, you better not kick out half your members before this semester is over. Pop culture reference. Never mind. Okay, fine. Forget it. Anyhow, so go ahead and get in touch with your team members and start working on your project because the next thing you're going to do is select a data set. So data sets. Are you excited to see the data? Well, don't get too upset. We have lots of time to look at the data. So the first thing we can do is to start with our topics of data sets. So basically, we want you to get together with your team in person on a Teams meeting where people are in this section and people are in the other section. That's perfectly fine to have Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, Thursday teams mixed. You just have to find your own time to meet and discuss things, right? So our topic, and of course, you might be asking yourself, how do you select your topic without looking at the data? And the answer is, well, if you're working for an employer, you don't have a chance to choose your project, right? So we're going to have kind of an option to choose the topic and not going to give you a whole lot of information. So we got several different data sets: human activity recognition from sensor data, bank marketing, automobile information, the mushroom data set, spam base, email spam database, breast cancer data set, forest fires, OCR of handwritten digits, Parkinson's disease data set, apartments for rent, NPHA data set, National Poll on Healthy Aging. As an ancient professor, I'm interested in that one. I want to age healthy, but the rest of you probably want to do it too, but not for a while yet. Okay. Water quality prediction, arrhythmia data set. Oh, my heart. Travel reviews data set, room occupancy in education, right? Where can you get the cheapest, room for college, right? Polish companies bankruptcy. And this is Polish, not Polish. Facebook metrics on cosmetics. People are looking at image segmentation data set, and then Parkinson's disease classification, a little different, pedestrians in traffic. Be extra careful. So look at those, think about those topics. We'll have this slideshow uploaded. You can just go ahead and think about what of those topics seem to interest you as your team the most. Are you interested in cars? Like to drive fast? Are you interested in disease, prevention, things like that, right? So you're going to go ahead and fairly quickly, Friday midnight is when the deadline is going to be on this. Quickly discuss what the topics are with your team. Make an announcement. The topics will be shared in an announcement this Tuesday. Well, actually, end of day today. So so our submission, we're going to upload a document, a Word document. Your first page is going to be your team name, logo, project name, your student names with WSIDs. The first name should be the team lead. And in that document, explain why you picked this project in a few paragraphs. And if your answer is, I couldn't think of anything better, that's fine, right? No page limit. We are expecting just a fairly short discussion. We had some thought about this. This looked interesting. We want to pick this. Cool. Any questions? If you have questions, Ajay and Harika and I are all available. Go ahead and send it to all three of us, and we'll take care of it. Go ahead and if you do send an email, please add CS746 project in brackets. So subject CS746 project query and the data set column ID, right? So last day to submit, and again, we should have filled in the date here, this Friday February 7th, so 2 days from today. One submission per team. Only the team lead has to make a submission for this information. Okay, so good luck. And that is our quick and dirty on the project. Any questions before I move on? Yes. Those slides are going to be in the project. Hang on a second. If you go back to the PDS class, and down here at the bottom is project information. And did we make it visible to teams? No, we did not. Okay. Well, no wonder you can't see it. Sorry. There. Now you can see it. This was one. There was supposed to be a reminder last week. And since we got kind of behind, I didn't remember to do that. So yeah, that was a silly one. So we're not gonna, probably discuss that one. Okay, so that's the project. Any other questions about the project? Okay. I'm going to stop and restart the recording so you